how to use Careem Bike in Dubai. If you want to use the Careem Bike app in Dubai, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. Now for this, Careem Bike is not a separate application. The Careem app itself has access to all the features like bike, taxi or food and other rental services. But if you specifically want to use the bike version so that you can use bike rides and pickup, once you launch the Careem app, go to all services over here. From all services, look for the option bike and tap on it. Make sure to allow your location settings right here so that Careem can track where you are. And if Careem Bike is available in your area, you'll be able to pick up and drop yourself using Careem Bikes and Rides option. This way you'll be able to use Careem Bike in Dubai. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.